What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hope you have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. I got 3 stocks for y'all to pay attention to. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure you hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly stock analysis. We don't just post crypto and altcoin analysis and plays. But most importantly, we live stream, live trade every day. London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So we don't just talk about long-term investment plays, but we also day trade here. So I teach you how to make money, not just on the front end, but also on the back end. And as you can see, if you go to today's live stream, Monday, September 15th, literally every single chart we talked about ended up going as projected. Caught a nice 1-2, almost 1-3 on GJ. Caught a nice 1-2, almost 1-3 on GU. And then of course we entered and are at a nice almost 1-2 on this gold setup right here. And like always, for all the naysayers, all you gotta do is watch the recording on YouTube. But you also can see here the same exact date when we go into the advanced play signal, September 15th. And you can see that we entered both gold and GJ. And you can see the TPs getting hit as well. We really do this over here, y'all. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about 3 stocks. Like always, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling y'all personally what I'm looking at, the best price to DCA and DCA out at, and you do what you want with this information. But if you hit that first link in the description, join the free signal, free Telegram. Last quarter in April, when everybody was freaking out talking about the markets were crashing, I told y'all the markets were not crashing. It was simply a retracement. And if y'all would have listened to me in my last video I dropped, you would see here again, April 9th, you can see 3 days that I dropped the video, how much Palantir and all these stocks went up. A month later, you can see how price exploded. And of course, if you go to any of these charts right now, look at what they're doing right now. You would have compared it to when you entered that April, or if you entered and bought and invested in April, you'd be up a bag right now. But also, that's just the long-term investments. We went 3-1 last week, getting 75% win rate, and we wrapped up August with a whopping beautiful 92% win rate. Went 23-2, only lost 2 trades last month, catching a total of 81,274 pips. If you would have literally risked just 1% of your account per trade last month, you would have been up 40%. If you would have risked 2%, you would be up 80%. So make sure to check all that stuff out. Now let's get into this video. So the first stock we got is AMD. I'm really like how AMD is looking. Again, when everybody was talking about in April when the stock market was crashing, imagine we were about AMD in April. You'd be up a bag right now. So an important thing we need to note from AMD is we are at a strong support resistance level. We can see here in December, our price rejected this level. We could also see here last year in March, how price failed to hold this level as support. So for uptrend to continue and for price to continue to push up, we need to maintain and hold 160 as support. If we can hold 160 as support, we can look for continued buys going to 178, 180, and then possibly back up to the highs here at 199 200 price range. Now when we go to the smaller time frame, we can see price kind of struggling to maintain that level of support. So that's what we're looking for going into this month and next month. Now we failed to hold 158 160 as support. We're going to see retracements go down to 140 and possibly down to 125. So make sure to pay attention to these price points right here. The second coin we got is Coinbase. I've been telling y'all since last year to get into Coinbase. I told y'all Bitcoin was going to go crazy. I told y'all to get gold. Gold just hit all-time highs. Bitcoin's been hitting all-time highs. So obviously, even if you're not going to invest in crypto, which y'all should, look into Web3 if you don't understand, at least get into Coinbase because that's where everybody's going to be buying crypto on, as well as Kraken. Now, same thing. If you would have bought in April, when everything was quote-unquote crashing, you would have caught this big push to the upside because as you can see here, the same lower price retraced that was the last level where we had the next higher high made. And look what happened when price retraced here. New higher high got made. Now, just like with AMD, when we look to the left, we can see that this is a very strong support resistance level price is currently stuck at, which is at 325, 330. So if we can break 325, 330 and hold that as support, we can see continued buys going to 380 and possibly price go up to 430. Now, when we hop into the smaller time frame, we can see a big gap here. So gaps, that's actually a good sign because gaps usually tend to get filled up. But if we fail to break and hold 325, 330 as support, we could also try to retest 395 or even come back down to 270. So make sure to keep these price points in mind. And last but not least, we got Meta. Again, same thing. This was one of those stocks I told y'all to get into in April. You could have got in on April when everyone was talking about a crash. You could have caught a huge higher high and a big back. So right now, when we look at Meta is currently respecting 740 as support. If we can maintain 740 as support, we can see price go back up to the highs at 795 and possibly hit 800, 820, 850. Now we do have a gap right here, so if we do fail to maintain 330, 735, excuse me, support, we can see retracements going down to 690 or possibly even down to 640. So make sure to keep these price points in mind, y'all. So these are the 3 stocks I got for y'all this week for this video. Let me know other stocks you want to see me do an analysis on. I got y'all. I will be doing suggestions because again, these videos are for y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment. Look at gold. Oh my goodness. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my Signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. You see we've been going absolutely crazy. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade moves, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York Lives and trading plan Zooms, and y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're gonna get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say follow the flow price and not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions, and I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, advanced play signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here, another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended quarter 1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate, 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March, 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not gonna find any other mentorship or signaling service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, but I give you my entry, my S cells, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible setups going into New York session. I go over whether you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the advanced play signaling for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the advanced play signal room. So be interested in your trading to the next level. You know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.